to Heather's Crafty Classroom. Today I have a project share to show you something that I made a gazillion years ago, but I revamped it a little bit. It was a tutorial, I believe about 12 years ago by Laura Dennison. I mean, I think it said 12 years ago. It's when I first started making mini books. Um, Hers was a little different in style. So I used her idea, and I'll show you her idea, and made my own thing. Kind of revamped it a little bit, I guess. So what I did, first of all, look at the tassel I attached. I attached a tassel to the yellow ribbon. The yellow ribbon is actually holding the whole book together with beads. Beads are the spacers in between my pages. You guys see that? How cute is this? This was her idea 12 years ago. I believe she had a spine cover on hers right here, but I didn't want to cover the beads. I thought that was really a pretty element to see. And here's the book. So all I did was string the ribbon through each page and put a pony bead in between each one. If you guys saw my haul, that's why I bought these pony beads from Michael's. These are just the clear ones, and that's why I used the yellow ribbon, so I thought you could see it really cute through those. And it was not wrong. I think it's so adorable. It's a little loosey-goosey, but it's sticking together. Does that make sense? Like it's not falling apart. When I did tie these together, I tied a knot right here and put some Fabri-Tac, good old Fabri-Tac, on it. I let it dry and then I added my tassel. And I love the tassel. I think it's so cute. Now the papers I used. I had this in my stash and I only had about 6 pieces or so left. I will not use this ever again. It's cracked like you wouldn't believe. I don't know. I usually use Recollections. I love their black and I love their craft. Their craft is like my favorite, but this cracked like nobody's business. I'll have to show you a little places here and there. But I used it and I have no more of it, so I'm done with it. So I did use that out of my stash and it's in the color Indigo. And then this is the paper I used. And this was in my stash as well. And I had gotten it at Parklane's, Joann's, last year or the year before. Picnic in the park. I just thought it was so cute and I wanted to do something fun and cheerful. So this is what I used for this. Now, all of the flowers came out of my stash. All the ribbon came out of my stash. I know for a fact this one right here, the yellow and white, came from Dollar Tree. Lately, they've been having really cute ribbon. So I bought that. So on the cover, I did mat it in the indigo, but you can see right here. Can you see there? It started cracking. And it started cracking all the way across. So when I matted it, I wrapped the paper all the way around. So it's all the way around. And then the inside is just another paper covering that. So I was really, really disappointed in this paper though. I was shocked, but it is cracking big time on the edges. So anyway, this is the book. This is, how cute is this? So this has 4 pages and this one opens up and then it opens up like this. I think it turned out so cute. I didn't put any magnet or anything right here. It's just there and it's fine. Each page has a full-size photo mat coming out that is matted on both sides. On this page, I do have a pocket that has a white photo mat on the back. And then this flips up. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. That was part of the 4x6, not 4x6, 3x4 cards, cut aparts. And you can put a picture here and here. Once again, no magnet here. I only have 1 set of magnets in the whole book. And it's fine for me. I'm happy. Over here, I did do a belly band, and I just matted this one in solid because I was like, oh, this is a lot of pattern over here. Let's keep this one plain. And I think it looks a lot better. So we did that. On the next page, this is the one place I have a magnet. There is a little magnet here holding this little page mechanism together. And then once again, my little flowers, I just dug through my flowers and layered them up. Whatever I could find that I thought looked good together, we layered up. You can see this one's got a couple different ones. The one on top is felt, had jemmies inside some of them. I was just going through stuff. I was like, all right, let's use some of this. This one, I love this little paper. It says work hard and it's got little bees. Can you see that? It's so cute. I love bees. My next album, whatever I'm doing, is going to be bees. And it just folds out like this for more photos. Another side pocket. Then over here we have a double pocket. And here's another one of my layered flowers out of my stash with a few jemmies. And then this one has a pocket here that's just solid. And then this one is solid on the back. And they just slide right in there. This page is just has this um, tuck spot right here. It says I love you with the pink on one side and white on the other. And look at this paper, how cute. We're at the park. So cute. This one folds up for two more photos. Pretty simple little book, but I think it does what it needs to do, right? And then this one is another tuck spot. Life is a picnic with you. And I just have a little photo mat there. Slides in. And then this one flips up this way. This is like a little mini waterfall. All right. A little piece of something right there. Anyway, and then it closes this way. Has my little decal. And this one I wrapped just like the front. I wrapped the whole sheet, the 12 by 12 sheet. It stopped right about here. So then I matted the whole inside. And I think it turned out really cute. I'm in love with this little book. I love my tassel. I'm so want to do more tassels like this. I haven't done this in so long. We used to make tassels a lot, and then I don't know. I stopped. I haven't seen anybody make them lately, and I'm just loving it. Like there's even a little pom pom trim in there and some lace, and just I'm in love. I think it's so cute. Time to relax, little book. This is what I made with the pony beads. We'll see what else I can do, but I love the way this looks. Let me know what you guys think. All right. I appreciate you. Keep on subscribing. Send your friends over. I'm so close to 500 subscribers. I'm really, really hoping to hit that 500. Fingers crossed. Alrighty. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.